Hello everyone, it's April 8th. I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department, here to give you the daily COVID-19 update. Here in Kent County, we're now up to 208 cases with 8 deaths. We did learn of an additional death in the past 24 hours. Statewide, we're at 18,970 cases at last report, which is 845 deaths statewide. And we expect to have some more data here in the next few hours. We're getting a lot of questions about playgrounds, and people are seeing that some playgrounds and some parks are closed while others in other areas remain open, and some confusion about why there isn't one consistent approach region-wide to parks and playgrounds. And that's largely because those park managers and those property owners need to make a decision based on how their community interacts with those parks and how they're used, how crowded they become. Our recommendation from the beginning has been that playground equipment, anything that's commonly touched, should be closed, and signs should be up so that people know that kids really shouldn't be playing on equipment at this time. It's too easy to transfer germs from one person to the next. But the rest of the playground, the rest of the park, really needs to be approached in a common sense way. We want to encourage people to get outside and to stay active, enjoy the sunshine. We know that's important for staying healthy. We know that's important for maintaining a safe, healthy state of mind. But we want to discourage any large gatherings. And so we're talking to park managers on a regular basis, making sure they're doing what they can to close facilities that draw crowds while keeping features open like green space and trails that encourage people to get out, stay active, but to stay properly spaced. I was also encouraged yesterday to learn that Network 180, Forest View, and Pine Rest have partnered to create what they're calling the Don't Go Out, Reach Out telehealth service. Now, as you know, we're all very concerned about mental health and behavioral health and substance use during this crisis. We're all under a lot of stress, and these are unusual times. We need to make it very easy for people who are struggling with substance use or with anxiety, depression, fear, to get help without having to add new burdens to the emergency departments. So we're going to put those numbers on the screen below so that you have those resources in case you need to reach out to someone for help during this very stressful time. I also want to say thank you. Thanks to all of you at home, and also thank you to all of our community partners and everyone who is doing their job right now to flatten that curve. That's our role right now. Flatten the curve as much as possible, absorb this initial surge of cases, and then look for strategies for moving forward in a scientifically evidence-based way so that we can both keep society running and keep our economy going, but also make sure that we're keeping the number of cases well below the capacity of our healthcare systems to care for people. And I also want to say that we've been doing these videos now for over a month, and I want to thank you for watching them. I think that the crisis has grown quite a bit over the course of the past month. And you see me every day, and I appreciate you watching, but I also want you to know that the Kent County Health Department is not the only Kent County agency doing their part to stop and to slow down this COVID-19 crisis. And I'm not the only leader here in Kent County who's doing their part. We have 25 departments, offices, and agencies in Kent County, all of whom are doing their part in their own ways to make our community as safe as possible and to get as many people through this as possible. And I want to say thank you to our Kent County Board of Commissioners and to our County Administrator, Wayman Britt, and also to all of the other local units of government here in Kent County. We're all pulling together right now. All of us are doing our part together with all of you at home to get us through this. So thank you. And stay positive, stay heroic, and stay home. Thank you. I'm Dr. Adam London from the Kent County Health Department, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.